Hey everybody, welcome back. Anthony here. All right, so we have our 1987 Z28 Camaro here, and we did an initial walk around once we got it home, and noticed we had a few things to tend to, just to kind of get her cleaned up and looking real nice. One of those things we're going to address in this video is going to be the tune port injection badge that's on the rear bumper. And it's just faded, a lot of the letters have cracked off, and it just doesn't look really good. It stands out like a sore thumb. So we're gonna find another one, put one on there, and why don't you follow along, and we're gonna go through the process of removing the old one and putting the new one on. Let's get started. Hey everybody, okay, so this is the TPI badge on the back, tune port injection. You can see it's taken some of it off already here, already started working, but the letters are just falling off. Like I said, we want to restore this car back to its former glory. Does not need a lot to get there, but something like this, I pay way too much attention to detail, and these are the little things that, you know, people want to see on these cars. Is, you know, it's that little attention to detail that will make a difference. All right, well, let's get to work on this. We gotta pull this off. We got it taped off so we don't mar the paint at all on here, and we got some nice plastic tools we can use to try to get this off. So let's get at it. All right, so that didn't take too long. That wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. A little bit of heat gun on there. I got some of that adhesive. We just had to soften it up, and we used our little detail tool. Came right off, so not a big deal. So we can take a look here. I'm guessing a lot of this white here, you're going to see where the old badge was at. I feel like a lot of that kind of faded white there is probably from waxing before. I think there's some wax in there. Let's see if we can rub some of that out. But before we put the new one on, we are going to, like I said, do a good paint correction. It'd be a good time to get in here and kind of like skim this, kind of cut this coat just a little bit here, fill it in, and we might be able to take that and freshen it back up again. So we're gonna give that a go. So yeah, there's step one. We have gotten the badge off. We're gonna get a new one ordered and figure out what we're gonna work on next, guys. All right, well, there you have it. A very simple project to do. Sometimes it's the little things that make a big difference. So like I said, we're not gonna take that new badge and stick it on just yet. There's a little bit of wax hazing kind of left over from the old badge. Not sure what that's from, but we're gonna try to buff that out a little bit before we get the new badge put on there. I'm sure the new badge might cover that up, but I have way too much OCD, and I like things to be done the right way. So we're gonna follow up with another video later on about that when we get that new badge put on there. Also, it hasn't arrived yet, so eventually we should be here in about a week or so. Anyway, thanks for watching. And again, stay tuned for more videos from Retro Ride Garage. This is Anthony, signing off. Take care.